Lala Pinas, Ye Inform Today.
Mga kaibigan, isang mainit na usapin ang ating tatalakayin ngayon. Sangkot ang dalawang malalaking bangko, ang RCBC at Metrobank, sa isang kontrobersya tungkol sa account ng isang yumao. Ano nga ba ang nangyari? At sino ang dapat managot dito?
Laws that it will be fair lang yung justice. And sana maging cooperative po yung mga stepchildren because they refuse to show up.
Okay, napatawag ba natin yung walang nagsipot? Padala mo ng subpoena. I don't care if he's a counselor. Pero nasa subpoena siya, ano siya, di ba, invite? Well, then I don't want to read that letter. Parang excuse letter yan. Then send a subpoena to him. Na he should be here. Diba, seryoso naman tong topic natin. Lahat ng hindi pumunta rito at nagpadala ng excuse letter sa next hearing, I want them here.
Pagka deceased na, the accounts are frozen, whether it be real property or personal property, right? Ako, when I try to withdraw, hindi ko alam na ang law pala, pag may joint account, hindi ko alam. I only found out when my husband died and taking care of the estate, I only found out po that pag may joint account ang mag-asawa at yung isa namatay, even if buhay yung isa, frozen ang bank account. Okay, I didn't know that. But when I tried to withdraw from Metrobank, they said they cannot release any withdrawals because it's frozen. Pero yung sa side ng mga bata, they allowed it. So that's for the record.
Okay. May policy ang ibang bangko for a single account. I'm not gonna mention the name of the banks. So parang unique ang Metrobank, nag-iisa lang ata kayo, no? Dito for single account, depositor, NSO, certified copy of the death certificate of the depositor, tapos certified 2 copy birth certificate of the depositor, certified 2 copy marriage contract of parents of depositor, and then the parents likewise deceased, NSO certified 2 copy of their certificate. And then number 5, certified 2 copy birth certificate. Is number 6, birth certificate of the depositors, and then withholding tax of 6%. And then in this case, ma-release na sa air, even if it's a single account. Ibang bangko to. Sa bagay, iba naman siguro kayo, baka kayong unique, lahat ng bangko, siguro, para sa inyo, may bago iba kayong policy. I'm just stating to you, ito yung patakaran ng maraming bangko, kasama na yung BDO, na isa sa pinakamalaking bangko sa buong Pilipinas. What's your opinion? Siyempre, sabagay, iba naman ang policy ninyo, iba naman policy ng bangko, pero halos karami ng mga bangko ito, ang pulisya. Kayo dyan sa Metrobank iba.
Even if there's no letter yet, we will freeze the account.
Automatic. Even without you informing them or telling them.
So, because
to do
alam
so.
na, and kaya nga sabi ng BDO, especially ma'am, kung kilala yung pamilya ng asawa nyo, alam naman ng lahat na namatay siya. He's well loved in our province. So, imposible po na gagamitan ako ng technical ng RCBC na January lang nila. Kasi sir, there were withdrawals up to after his death nga, di ba? Merong December 23 withdrawals, merong mid-January withdrawals. So, it's very unfair for RCBC to use technical terms sa akin.
Ayan, RCBC. Nasaktan nyo lalo si Ma'am Gina.
Gina.
Sir, do not ever fucking smile. Do not. This is serious matter. Malungkot siya. Ilang taon na ito. Nagmadalamhati siya. Tapos pangising-isi ka dyan. Heck, don't do that, please.
Pasensya na po, Mr. Senator. And pasensya na rin, Madam Gina T. Ito pong mga informasyon ngayon nakakalat po lang namin after we received the invitation from the Senator. No? Sabi ko nga po, Mr. Senator, we will investigate kung talaga bang nagpadala ng flowers, kung talaga bang merong breach in the policy. Because sa sinasabi po ni Ms. Gina, ganun din po ang policy ng RCBC.
Bakit?
We put on hold the account once we get
Isa
knowledge.
pa, kung meron kayong magandang policy, bakit pinaikot-ikot nyo siya? Bakit hindi nyo siya ini-entertain as an heir? Alam niyo naman na wife siya. magtatanong siya ng mga information tungkol sa account, binibigyan siya ng hard time, at later on, pumayag na rin magbigay ng information, pero bank account lang. I mean, talagang binibigyan siya ng hard time. So para may pinapaboran. Please don't laugh again, ha? Sige, pakisagot lang.
Mr. Senator, we will investigate that, as I said. But we have given Mrs. Gina T. the information that she rightfully deserves as a surviving spouse.
Account number lang binigay nyo.
Yun
Hindi
po
amount.
kasi ang balances, even transaction history po, nabigay po. In fact, kay Mrs. Gina T. lang po namin shinare yung information na yun.
Is it right, Ma'am Gina?
As I mentioned, I give credit naman to RCBC for being helpful, but I had to go to the main office. I had to find a connection to get those records. But the fact remains that the branch office in Tandag they were never cooperative at all. I wrote letters to them repeatedly. They were never cooperative.
The branch?
Yes po.
So again, let me repeat. In fairness, yung main office, cooperative naman daw. After na magpunta sa main office. Kasi sinasabi ko, RCBC itself as an institution, okay sila. Wala tayong problema doon. Siguro doon sa branch at may mga tao doon sa branch na hindi gumagawa ng tama, hindi po nagpa-follow ng procedure. Yun dapat imbestigahan, find out, and then pag nakita nyo talaga may problema, may mali, then pagalitan yun, gumawa kayo ng parang isanction yung tao, si baking kinakalan sa bucket, and then ibalik yung pera na na-withdraw.
Gagawin po
Especially
namin
kung-
yan, Mr. Senator.
Thank you, sir.
Gagawin po namin yan.
Ma'am Gina.
Sir, again, this is after the fact. So, 3 taon na po ang nakakaraan. I've been talking to RCBC since 2022. They know my lamentations. They know my reklamo. Alam nila katakot-takot na email, calls, ginawa ko. Kaya nga dumulog na ako sa inyo because wala namang nangyayari. So, kung sasabihin sa akin ng RCBC ngayon, just because you're in front of them, na they will do their investigation and due diligence, for me, it's water under the bridge. Kailan na naman ito matatapos?
Ma'am, continuous to yung ano natin. Hindi naman ako ang ningas ko kundi dito sa Senado.
Yes,
Pag
sir, I
inumpisahan
trust
ko,
you.
tinatapos ko.
Sir, I trust you, but I
Thank
don't
you.
trust them. Sorry.
Ay, them. Okay, well see, nakita nyo RCBC. Nasira yung trust niya sa bangko ninyo. Kasi hindi kayo maagap, hindi kayo mabilis umaksyon. Once na dapat may pumunta sa inyo para magreklamo, ma-action agad kayo. Ay 3 years na pala siya pabalik-balik. Ang bagal ng aksyon ninyo, mas pinapaboran nyo pa yung mga anak. E-air din naman siya bilang isang legal wife. Widowed wife. O sana in-entertain nyo siya. But hindi. Pinabalik-balik nyo na, pinagod nyo lang siya. Until na nagsumbong siya rito, hindi pa sana kayo umaksyon. Dito hindi ako papayag. Paimbestigahan ko kayo. Patatawag ko yung Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas kung kinakailangan every week mag-hearing tayo rito. Sige, 1-2 sawa tayo. At pag nakita ko nagsinungaling kayo, ipapakontem ko kayo, may kulungan dyan sa baba, sa ilalim. Totoo. Marami na kami napakulong dyan, ng mga nagsinungaling, pinakontempt namin.